In today's video, we are going to create a new lead manually, and in Zoho CRM basically allows us to manually add leads, import them, or capture them from various sources like websites and social media. In today's video, we are going to create a lead manually in the CRM. So if we head over to the leads module and come over here, click onto this button, create lead. And what we need to do is we need in order to create our lead, we need to make sure that we've filled in all the mandatory fields. Anything that is not marked red can be left out, which means it's not mandatory. So let's fill the required fields in. Let's just say this is a test company. Let's just add a 1 next to it. And then let's just say testing 10. And let's give this today's date. It's up to you if you want to add in more information like the mobile phone number or any other information, or let's just give, yeah, why not? Let's just give more information. And it's up to you if you want to change the lead owner name. I'll just keep it as Layla below. And you can add in more information, or let's just go ahead and save this. So that's your new lead created. So coming back into the leads module, so if we go into the leads module again, so these are all the leads, and this is the new lead that we've just created. We'll click onto it, and on the top right hand corner we can edit the lead, or we can fill in the information like from here as well. Let's just say test@test.com, give it an email address. Or we can come in here and edit the lead. We can change the lead owner from Layla below to Basil Browning. Done. And it's up to you if you want to add in more information. Add a website, and then let's just save it. And all your save changes should show up here. So that's for today. Please like and comment, subscribe for more tutorials like this, or if you have any Zoho based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstarIT.com. Thanks for watching.